Hello students. Now in the previous video we have understood about the three types of respiration, that is aerobic, anaerobic and lactic acid. Now in the next topic today we are going to discuss about breathing. As we have discussed earlier that breathing is again a part of respiration, because when we breathe we exchange gases. Okay, and when these gases exchanges means when oxygen goes in and carbon dioxide comes out, so this oxygen combines with glucose or the food, digested food of our body, and then they release large amount of energy after a chemical process which we call respiration. So that is why breathing is the first, you can say first step of respiration. Now, in this particular activity, they are asking you to close your nostrils and mouth tightly and look at a watch, that how long you are able to keep both the things or both the organs closed. So, what do you feel? We cannot do it much long. Okay, and children, I advise you not to do this activity alone, especially. So, you know very well that we cannot hold our breath very long because we need to breathe, and actually, we breathe throughout the day, or you can say that we breathe throughout our life. As long as we take birth, the day we take birth, we start breathing till the day of death. Okay, so we keep on breathing, and even sometimes we even don't realize that we are breathing, we are so used to of it. So, there are two steps of breathing, that is inhalation and exhalation. Now, inhalation is taking in air which is rich in oxygen. The taking in of air rich in oxygen into the body is called inhalation. And exhalation is giving out of air rich in carbon dioxide is known as exhalation. So you know very well that when we inhale, we take in oxygen, and when we exhale, we give out carbon dioxide. And it is a continuous process which goes on all the time and throughout the life of an organism. Now we can also count the number of times we breathe. The number of times a person breathes in a minute is known as a breathing rate. So during breathing, inhalation and exhalation takes place alternately. And when we say one breathe, we means one inhalation and one exhalation. It consists of a breathe. Okay, so you can see here even our breathing rate also changes under different conditions. Like if we breathe when we sit relaxed on a chair, that time if you breathe, the breathing rate is something different. It's something about 15 to 18 times in a minute. But when you breathe after walk, after brisk walking, after running, okay, that time breathing is just different. The rate of breathing is little faster. As you can see, you can fill this table by doing it. It's a normal breathe after a brisk walk for 10 minutes, after running fast 100 meters, and at rest. So it's all the different situations, and you can easily find out that at different situations the breathing rate varies. And so here they are asking you to just keep a record of it. So I want you all to do this at home. Simply walk or run, and after that you simply record your observations. So you can see in this box it is given that on an average an adult human being at rest breathes in and out 15 to 18 times in a minute, and during heavy exercise the breathing rate can increase up to 25 times per minute. So it increases. While we exercise, not only do we breathe fast, but we also take deep breath and thus inhale more oxygen. So uh, when we do exercise or all those things, it speeds up the breakdown of food and more energy is released whenever you do any physical activity. So that time it speeds up the breakdown of food. So because respiration takes place, and respiration is the breakdown of food, so that becomes very fast, and because of this more amount of energy is released, and because of this reason वी फील हंग्री आफ्टर अ फिजिकल एक्टिविटी. जब आप बहुत ज़्यादा एक्सरसाइज कर लेते हो, साइकिलिंग कराते हो, खेल आते हो, तो यू आस्क योर मदर टू गिव यू फूड और समथिंग टू ईट बिकॉज यू ऑलरेडी releases lot of energy, you expand lot of energy. So you can see the one more activity 10.3 they have given, and they have shown, it shows the various activities carried out by a person during a normal activity, during a normal day. So a lady is sitting and washing clothes, a child is studying, one is climbing on a ladder, the girl is walking or running, I think, and this old man is slowly walking. So they are asking you, can you say in which activity the rate of breathing will be slowest and in which it will be the fastest? So what do you think? The person is at rest. So the person who is at complete rest is the person who sleep. So I think that in that particular case, the breathing is the slowest. It's very normal. And fastest is, I think, that girl who's running or walking fast. So in her case, it maybe it's the fastest because rest of them are simply sitting and doing the work. So this is all about this. Now next topic we will discuss in the next video.